Hello. Today I'm gonna talk about the soft palate, the role and function of soft palate in generating the vibrato. I would like to say soft palate is the key to generate the vibrato. If you could develop a capability to control your soft palate, push it down to make more space for the nasal passage, then the vibrato could generate very easily. Okay, let me do a little bit demo and see how this is working. I'll do the first without pressing down, and then the second pressing down a little bit. Okay, I'll press down my soft palate. You can hear the difference there, right? Yeah, since pressing down soft palate, it's kind of hard and could not make a lot of space in between in the nasal passage, so the vibrato is not very evident. But we could use some other ways to help make more space in the nasal passage, so the vibrato could be better. Like if you could drag your larynx down, so your larynx could drag your soft palate down to make more space in the nasal passage, the vibrato could be easier. Watch my larynx and see how this helps. First, without the larynx down. Okay, now I'll drag it down. Of course, yeah, this needs some practice to control your larynx. There's another way that help drag your larynx is to have some water in your mouth. Okay, I have water here, so let me drink some water and see how the sound is changed. You can tell the vibrato is coming out very easily and more evenly, more natural. The traditional way of yawning, I don't want to say it's not good, but I would like to say it's not helpful in controlling your soft palate down. Since you're gonna yaw, you're gonna give your soft palate a bit strength to keep it upper position. That's not good for the vibrato. My suggestion is stop yawning. Using my way of practice, like drag your larynx or have some water in your mouth, keep your larynx down to practice vibrato. Okay, that's my one suggestion, my thought about the vibrato. Hope this is helpful in your singing career. See you later. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.